Hey guys, what's up? Shaq here, and today we're doing a quick video. Today we're talking about Today we're talking about the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 and why I think it's a great thing to travel with to take your photos. Boom. Intro. So I bought it for a trip that I had in Portland with a few friends, and I thought that it wouldn't be cool to just have photos right there printed in front of you for like a keepsake. And I remember I said that I wanted to start a journal this year and actually put photos, whether it's printed photos or copied on a piece of printed on a piece of paper photos, and just put them in that journal and kind of have them. I've seen this camera a few times and I was like, I don't know, but then I was like, yo, let me just make the purchase, and it's been good. So far, it's really simple to use. Anybody can pick it up and use it. I've had Damari used it before, my friend Daniel, my friend Jev. They've used this camera before and it's pretty simple. The only thing you have to take in consideration is that it has a lighting detector and you have to look at it before you take the photos, or otherwise they'll come out dark or extremely overexposed, which is not good. Either of them. Not good. Anybody can pick this up and use, and it's a great thing to just have on your trips, and like you just stop somewhere like, oh, this would be a cool photo, take it and you just have it there. The only thing that I don't like about this camera is that it flashes all the time. No matter where you are, the flash goes off, and that's annoying. It's annoying for me. I don't like always having the flash on, but what can you do? So it turns on pretty easy. All you have to do is hit the button at the front and it pushes out the lens, and after it pushes out the lens, you have to give it that thing, well, you can check in the viewfinder, it blinks red, and after it's finished blinking, that means the flash is charged, which is why I don't like the flash, because you have to wait on it for it to be charged. The flash is charged and then you just take your photo and then it prints it instantly. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. You don't know anything said. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it with a friend. Share it, please. Please share it. Hit subscribe if you aren't subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. So you don't know, big up yourself, bless up yourself, little more.